Welcome back to the LV ReLoved channel. If you're new today, thank you for joining us and please consider subscribing. On the Go Tote in reverse monogram from the 2019 Giant Collection. I got a call from my CA about pre-order for this On the Go Tote. It was not on the website, I don't think. I'm not quite sure of that because I never saw it on there and it's not on there currently. He told me that there was a little over 700 that were going to be made. So pre-order only, get it while you can. Here we are today. It took a little bit of time to get in, but so far I'm very pleased. Let me tell you about it. Slightly structured, as you can tell. It stands up on its own, yet when you carry it alongside your body, it's going to be pliable and comfortable. See all the different monogram patterns, which is cool. It has the giant traditional monogram on the front here, and if you notice, the handles have the reverse, but it's in a mini monogram, and as well as the long shoulder strap. Flip it around and it's the giant reverse monogram and the mini traditional monogram. Flip it to the side and you have the traditional size regular monogram. All the way to the other side you have the reverse traditional size monogram. And of course on the bottom it all comes together. Isn't that cool how it's lined up? So up in the top corners is a detail with a rivet and a piece of opposing canvas on all four, so it sticks out. That's cool. Nice shiny rivet there with Louis Vuitton embossed on it. It also has these hideaway straps. I was using this as a catch-all. I went to my son's piano recitals and we were able to fit all their music books in there, as well as my daily necessities, including my GM agenda. I'm starting to carry that more and more with me. It was kind of nice to have it fit in there, because lo and behold, if I lose that GM agenda, that would be absolutely tragic. Zipper pocket goes to about 1 inch above the bottom of the bag. So 2 patch pockets in front of the zipper, and you can fit your phone in there nice and snug. There's no pockets on the opposing side and it's wide open, but my Speedy 30 organizer did fit this very loosely. There was about 6 inches on one side, but it did fit for some further organization if you wanted to. Have the top closure with the hook and a D-ring. Still will hold up on its own. I put my keys in the zipper pouch. I put my clay on the D-ring, and notice how it holds the side of the bag up. If it was a Neverfull, it wouldn't hold it. It's a real thick canvas. It's really thick, has a heft to it, so it does weigh a little bit more than a Neverfull. But when you're carrying a bag that's large like this, you want it to be thick and weigh a little bit more because you're going to naturally put more in it. In the other pocket, I'll put my clipper, my Persec PM ROM. To use it if I carry it with me. I've been carrying my iPod a lot with me. Notice how it's standing up on its own. And this is what I use to put my receipts and like my punch cards. So this would be like a typical errand day. What I need with me for all day long. I can even fit my water bottle in there. So plenty of room to stash in more stuff. I could, if I buy something that day, I can add it in there. Tomorrow I'm going to Virginia, so I will be packing it. I will put in my 19, my toiletries. I will put in my 26, This is my GM rabat, my lunettes. That also will fit in one of the slip pockets with the clip. My travel organizer, passports, travel documents. I always like to have a pochette with me if I'm carrying a big tote like this. That way if I want to leave this behind, go to the mall with a light carry, right here. And let me show you how it fits. I probably should bring the camera to it. But plenty of room. Still add more if you want. You can see some red space in there. I think it's stunning. It's gorgeous. Head turner. I've gotten lots of compliments. I'm a humble LV carrier. I don't like to carry a bag, or I don't feel like I need to carry a bag and haven't noticed, because a lot of people in my local circle may not necessarily know a lot about Louis Vuitton. If you do see one, try and nab it. I do think on top of it just being, you know, a collector's piece, is limited edition, I think this is something that you will use often. So it's very functional. One thing to have a limited edition piece on your shelf, it's another thing to actually be able to use it. So the On-The-Go Tote has a thumbs up from me. I recommend it. I'm hoping you will follow me on to the next video. I have lots of videos that I would love for you to check out and comment on. Stay tuned for the model shot.